Technology is all around us, right? From the moment we wake up to the buzz of our smartphone alarm to the endless scroll through apps, websites, and messages, the digital age has completely transformed the way we live and communicate. And today, I want to take you on a journey through the incredible vocabulary of the digital world that you absolutely need to master to sound confident, fluent, and up to date in English. So, whether you're working in tech, chatting with friends, or just curious about how technology influences our language, this is for you. Now, let me start by saying something important. Mastering this vocabulary isn't just about memorizing words. It's about understanding how they fit naturally into conversation. And here's something interesting. Many of these words have evolved so fast that even native speakers sometimes feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, because in just a moment, I'll show you exactly how to practice these words using shadowing, repetition, and pronunciation techniques that will make learning feel effortless and even fun. So, are you ready? Let's dive in. First up, let's explore some of the basic yet powerful terms everyone should know. Think of algorithm. Have you heard this word before? Algorithms are like recipes or instructions that computers follow to solve problems or perform tasks. Say it with me slowly. Algorithm. Now repeat after me at normal speed. Algorithm. And one more time a little faster. Algorithm. Great. Imagine when you use a search engine algorithms, decide what results to show you. Understanding this word unlocks so many conversations about tech. Then there's bandwidth, which you might hear when people talk about internet speed. Bandwidth is basically the amount of data that can be sent over an internet connection in a certain time. Say this with me. Bandwidth. Now at normal speed. Bandwidth. And again, a little faster. Bandwidth. This word pops up a lot, especially when you hear complaints like, "My bandwidth is too low." So, practicing these words helps you get comfortable with common tech talk. And if you're already following, give me a quick like or a nod in your head, because it only gets better. Now let me tell you about a student I had who struggled with cloud computing. At first it sounded so mysterious and confusing. But when I explained it as storing data and programs on the internet instead of your computer, it suddenly made sense. Say it with me. Cloud computing. Now repeat. Cloud computing. Great. And one more time faster. Cloud computing. This term is everywhere now. People talk about saving files to the cloud or cloud services. Understanding it can really boost your confidence when discussing technology. And speaking of which, have you ever noticed how encryption sounds like a secret agent word? Well, it kind of is. Encryption is the method used to protect data by turning it into a code that only authorized people can read. Repeat with me. Encryption. Now at normal speed. Encryption. Faster. Encryption. Knowing this word is crucial when you hear about online security. So here's a quick challenge. Think about how you can use cloud computing and encryption in a sentence today. Share it with someone or write it down. That practice sticks better than just listening. Moving forward, let's explore interface and user experience, two phrases that are vital in tech conversations. The interface is basically what you see and interact with on a device or app. Say interface. Now repeat interface. And again faster. Interface. User experience, often shortened to UX, is all about how easy and enjoyable it is to use something. Say user experience. Repeat user experience. Now faster. User experience. Think about your favorite app. What makes it easy to use? That's UX. Here's a cool fact. Companies spend millions improving UX to keep you happy. Now, let's practice these together. Say, interface slowly with me, then faster. Now user experience slowly, then faster. Awesome! If you're enjoying this and feeling more confident, please hit that like button or comment below with your favorite tech words so far. I'd love to see which one speaks to you. Now here's something interesting about virtual reality and augmented reality. Virtual reality, or VR, completely immerses you in a computer-generated world. Say, virtual reality. Repeat, virtual reality. faster. Virtual reality. Augmented reality, or AR, adds digital elements to your real world through devices like smartphones or glasses. Say, augmented reality. Repeat, augmented reality. Now faster. Augmented reality. Ever played Pokemon Go? That S-A-R. And here's where it gets exciting. You can practice these by imagining you're explaining VR and AR to a friend. Say it out loud using these terms and watch your fluency improve. Let's shadow this together. Virtual reality. Augmented reality. Virtual reality. Augmented reality. Keep going at your own pace. If this makes sense, share this video with a friend who loves tech or wants to improve their English. It helps us grow and helps others learn. Speaking of growth, let's explore blockchain and cryptocurrency. Buzzwords that seem complex but are really interesting. Blockchain is like a digital ledger, a chain of blocks that records transactions securely. Say, blockchain. Repeat, blockchain. Faster, blockchain. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency using blockchain technology, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Say, CRYP-cur-ren-sci. Repeat, cryptocurrency. Now faster. Cryptocurrency. Don't let the length intimidate you. Break the word into parts and practice slowly, then speed up. These words pop up more often as digital money grows. Here's a secret that most people don't know. Understanding blockchain can help you grasp how secure transactions work online. So, practice these words right now with me. Blockchain, cryptocurrency. Blockchain, CRYP-cur-ren-sci. Great! If you're excited to learn more tech vocabulary, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss new lessons packed with practical words. Let me tell you about API, or Application Programming Interface, a crucial tech term. Simply put, APIs allow different software programs to talk to each other. Say, API, spelling out each letter. Repeat, API. Now at normal speed, API. And one more time faster, API. Imagine apps like Instagram using APIs to connect with your camera or location services. Understanding API is like knowing how your apps work behind the scenes. Next up, debugging. This is the process of finding and fixing errors in software. Say, debugging. Repeat, debugging. Faster, debugging. It's a word used a lot by programmers, but useful to know for general tech talk. Try saying, I'm debugging the app, or the developer is debugging the code. Shadow this with me. API, debugging. API, debugging. Excellent! And if you're finding this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up or comment below with your favorite tech phrase so far. It encouraged me to make more videos like this. Now let's talk about firmware and hardware. Firmware is the software programmed into a device's hardware, often stored in chips. Say firmware. Repeat, firmware, faster. Firmware. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer or device. Say hardware. Repeat, hardware. Faster. Hardware. Knowing this difference helps when you hear tech discussions about upgrades or repairs. For practice, say the firmware update improved the device, and the hardware needs to be replaced. Shadow with me now. Firmware, hardware, firmware. You're doing amazing! If you're still here and loving this lesson, share it with a friend who needs tech English too. It's a win-win for both of you. Moving on to latency and server. Latency is the delay between sending and receiving data, crucial in gaming and streaming. Say latency. Repeat, latency. Faster, latency. A server is a powerful computer that provides data to other computers over a network. Say server. Repeat, server. Faster, server. Knowing these words helps when troubleshooting internet issues. Let's practice together. Latency, server, latency, server. Now try saying the latency is too high, or the server is down. It's useful and sounds professional. Here's a tip. Watching tech videos with subtitles helps you catch these terms naturally. If you've learned something new, leave a comment or ask a question. I love hearing from you. Here's where things get even more exciting. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a type of AI where computers learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. Say, machine learning. Repeat, machine learning. Faster, machine learning. Artificial intelligence is the broader concept of machines simulating human intelligence. Say, artificial intelligence. Repeat, artificial intelligence. Faster, artificial intelligence. Think about voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. They use AI. Shadow these phrases with me. Machine learning, artificial intelligence, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Imagine explaining AI to a friend right now. This will help you internalize the vocabulary. If you're curious about how AI changes our world, subscribe for more insights and words. Now let's explore encryption again, but this time paired with firewall. Encryption scrambles data to keep it private, while a firewall is a security system that blocks unauthorized access. Say, N-CRYP-TION. Repeat, encryption. Faster, encryption. Say, firewall. Repeat, firewall. Faster, firewall. These are essential in online safety talks. Practice this with me. Encryption, firewall, encryption, firewall. Use them in sentences like, my data is protected by encryption, or the firewall stopped the hacker. Speaking of hackers, have you ever wondered how cybersecurity experts work? Learning this vocabulary gives you a glimpse. Now a quick practice with cloud storage and backup. Cloud storage means saving files online so you can access them anywhere. Say cloud storage. Repeat, cloud storage. Faster, cloud storage. Backup means making a copy of your data to avoid loss. Say, backup. Repeat, backup. Faster, backup. These words often come together. Say, I use cloud storage for backup with me. Let's shadow. Cloud storage, backup, cloud storage, backup. This reminds me, always back up your files regularly. If you're still listening and practicing, comment I'm ready below. This helps me know you're engaged. Next, download and upload. Download is getting data from the internet to your device, and upload is sending data from your device to the internet. Say, download. Repeat, download. Faster, download. Say, upload. Repeat, upload. Faster, upload. These are everyday words but so important. Practice. I'm downloading a file and uploading a photo. Shadow with me. Download, upload, download, upload. This exercise helps you sound natural and fluent. Let me introduce firewall again, but this time paired with antivirus. Antivirus software protects your computer from malicious programs. Say, antivirus. Repeat, antivirus. Faster. Antivirus. Combine with firewall. Antivirus and firewall. Great! Practice this phrase. I installed antivirus and firewall to protect my PC. Repeat after me. Perfect. This practical use will stick in your mind. Now consider HTTP and URL. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, the foundation of data communication on the web. Say HTTP. Repeat HTTP. Now URL, which is the address of a web page. Say URL. Repeat, URL. Combine. The URL uses HTTP. Practice spelling and saying these letters carefully. This is tech talk made simple. Here's something interesting about cookies. Cookies are small data files stored on your device by websites to remember your preferences. Say, cookies. Repeat, cookies. Faster, cookies. Next time you see a cookie notice online, you'll know what it means. Shadow with me. Cookies, cookies, cookies. Great job! If this is making sense, like this video or comment your favorite word. Now, let's practice streaming and buffering. Streaming means watching or listening to media online in real time. Buffering is the loading pause when the connection is slow. Say, streaming. Repeat. Streaming. Faster. Streaming. Say, buffering. Repeat. Buffering. Faster. Buffering. Use in sentence. The video is streaming smoothly, or the buffering stopped the show. Shadow these words with me. Let's talk about Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Wi-Fi connects devices wirelessly to the internet. Say, Wi-Fi. Repeat. Wi-Fi. Faster. Wi-Fi. Bluetooth connects devices directly. Say, Bluetooth. Repeat. Bluetooth. Faster. Bluetooth. Practice together. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Use them daily in your tech conversations. Now think about app and software. An app is a program designed for mobile devices. Say app. Repeat. App. Software is a broader term for all computer programs. Say software. Repeat. Software. Faster. Software. Use in sentence. I installed a new app, or the software needs updating. Shadow with me. Here's a fun phrase. Phishing. Phishing is a cyber attack that tricks you into giving personal information. Say phishing. Repeat. Phishing. Faster. Phishing. Stay alert and don't fall for phishing scams. Say with me. Beware of phishing emails. Great! Share this tip with your friends. Now, gigabyte and terabyte, units of digital storage. Say, gigabyte. Repeat, gigabyte. Faster, gigabyte. Say terabyte. Repeat, terabyte. Faster, terabyte. Knowing these helps when buying devices or storage plans. Practice with me. Gigabyte, terabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. Finally, let's finish with virtual assistant and chatbot. Virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa help with tasks using voice commands. Say, virtual assistant. Repeat, virtual assistant. Faster, virtual assistant. Chatbots are programs that simulate conversation online. Say chatbot. Repeat, chatbot. Faster, chatbot. Use in sentence. I asked my virtual assistant to set a reminder, or the chatbot answered my question. Shadow now. You've done an amazing job sticking with me through this digital vocabulary journey. Remember, learning is about practice, so use these words and sentences. Talk about technology in English, and keep shadowing these phrases daily. If you found value in this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our lessons designed to boost your English skills. Share this video with a friend who wants to sound like a tech expert too. Comment below your favorite digital word from today's lesson or any tech topics you want me to cover next. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, the digital world is full of words waiting for you to master them. Until next time, keep your English journey alive, and we'll see you in the next video.